And my name is Abyansh.
And today we are going to tell you about something that changed our life. These robots. This is my dash.
This is my dash. And this is both of our Dot.
But mostly mine.
Now it's mine too. Shh. Be quiet, Dot. I said be quiet.
So the first time I knew about Dash was at school in 2nd grade. We were at school and it was time for enrichment.
But I didn't know about Dash because my enrichment teacher didn't teach us about Dash yet. But after we got Dash, my dad bought it. Then I started Dash at school.
I felt really confused the first time I saw Dash because I thought it was gonna be this big, like a real robot. But I thought it was only this big. So then I saw, this can be exciting. But when Dash came into our lives at home, I felt happy, proud, and I felt like I was gonna teach Abyansh a new thing.
I felt confused because on the internet, my dad found 2 robots, Dash and a car robot. I thought we would buy the car robot because my sister said she already does Dash at school. So I was like, oh well. But when we got Dash, I was surprised. I didn't know we were going to get Dash.
The first Dash we got was my brother's Dash. But soon we got this Dash, my Dash.
Yeah, because we kept fighting over who gets to use the Dash.
Yeah, my dad got 2 Dashes, and then soon we were getting bored of just doing the same program over and over again. So my dad got another set, which is a Dot. Our really fun and throwable, and it hardly breaks if you throw it like this, see? But make sure you don't throw it on the ground. Stop turning that on. Why did you burp? You didn't even eat anything.
Okay, that's really funny. Wait, but I don't know who actually made this wonderful robot. And Dot, too.
But I do. I can tell you.
Who is it?
He's a guy from India. Our own India. The place we were born.
What's his name?
His name is Vikas. He made these amazing robots. So now we are going to tell some things Dash and Dot can do.
Can I go first?
Sure.
The Dash, like both of our Dashes, but not Dot, can play the xylophone. There are different types of mallets. Can you be quiet?
Guess they need to go to sleep.
Let's just turn them off.
Yeah, they're off. I'm going to share the second thing. The second thing about Dot and Dash is they both can make sounds like they just did when they wanted to go to sleep. And like this. They can also change color. See? They can change color like this. See how it was orange and now it's blue? The same thing happened with Dash. But one thing that's very disappointing is that Dot cannot move. But Dash can. He has 3 wheels. This small wheel is to turn, and these big wheels are like to move. Our favorite robot is mostly Dot because he's playable and really funny. And this robot helps you know it helps you know what the codes do.
Stop playing with a Dot. Okay, fine.
Turn it off. I'll take that. No! Okay. So now there are many things Dash can do. Dash can move forward. He can also move backward. Turn right and left. He can nod his head, shake it, and he can turn into different colors. He has these buttons on his head to do different things.
There's even some sensors in the front and the back.
Dash can do many awesome things. Let me show you a small example of him moving forward and simply moving and turning right. Now, where's my iPad?
Here you go.
Thank you. So there are many apps to connect with Dash and Dot, but we both use the same app called Blowy. So I am right now going to make him move forward like just 10 centimeters. It goes like 10, 20, 30, 40. So, and I'm going to make him look up and turn his lights purple. And then he'll make a sound. So I'm going to log into him. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. So he moves forward 10. He looks up and then turns lights purple and does a sound. Now I want to show you something awesome. This dance is simply called the square dance. It's longer than the other dances that Dash has. My favorite is that part. And this part too, because it's technically the same. So stay tuned and keep watching.
Because tomorrow we'll be back with how to use Dash and
A Dash dance.
And Dot is going to be the musician.
So bye!